Simple lesson for you today. I get a lot of confusion out of my clients and friends as to bracing or engaging. And a lot of instructors and professionals even confuse the two terms. So I'm talking, of course, about the abdominal wall. And as we've talked about before, the rectus abdominis is this one here that goes from top to bottom, and it can flex in two directions. It can flex outward or it can flex inward. And the way that you choose to flex it is the way that it will grow. So for most people, flexing outward means that they get a bigger belly, and I have yet to find somebody that says, please give me a bigger belly, Carrie. So when we're bracing, we're pretending like somebody's about to punch us in the stomach, right? So this might be bracing, or this might be bracing, or this might be bracing. This is really hard for me to do. And if that's the way that you're bracing before you do abdominal work or any kind of activity, running, stretching, pulling weight, pushing weight, if you're bracing that way, then you are training your core to build outward. Okay? Engaging feels like you're zipping up something that is too tight, just one size too tight from bottom to top and keeping the ribs down. So this is engaging. You can always feel the difference because it's like your navel is pulling up and in, like it's trying to scoop underneath your rib cage, and you're zipping up something that's one size too tight right here. So again, here's your engaging, it's pulling up and in. Here's your bracing, somebody's about to punch me. So if you really want to train your core to support you, to hold you, to lift you up and in, and to have that sleek upward mobility in your abdominals, then learn to engage the core from the inside. Let's engage instead of just bracing for our weightlifting, our activity in our daily lives, and you'll see and feel a difference in your strength.